Hi guys, this is Dellana. I am coming to you today to show you how to use our seller net sheets from our website. So you go to bellawtn.com, and on the bottom right hand side there's going to be a little blue house, and you click on that and it takes you and you can log in, and it offers you a lot of great features that we have there. Here I've got the username already in, but you would need to create you one if you don't have one. Let me get logged in, and then once you sign in, you get access to all the tools that we have on that particular one. But today we're only going to be working on seller net sheets. So the top right here, you will see seller net sheet. You just click on seller net sheet, and then you start inputting your information. So for here, I'm just going to do the office address here. I'm going to put in 112 30th Avenue North, and you'll see how it auto-populates, and then you just select the property. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and it's going to fill everything else out for the property address for me. Then we'll put in the sales price. I'm just going to put in $100,000, although we all know West End is not bringing $100,000 today. So once you put that in, if you had mortgage payoffs, or you click mortgage payoffs, you put in what you think the payoff is. So we're going to say $15,000 just for giggles, so we know we have something in there. Real estate broker commissions, and this is where you put in your percentages. Listing agent, it has a drop down box. You choose that. You can do percentage or dollars. So we're just going to use the flat 3%. That one's also in a percent, the buyer's commission. So we're going to do 3%. And then a transaction fee. If you charged a broker admin fee, I know some of you guys do, we'll put that in. So we're just going to put $150. If you used an outside contract to close, you could also put that fee there. Homeowners Association, you put in how much the dues are monthly, or it has a drop down box in case they're half or quarterly. So we're just going to say that these are $30 a month. Then, did seller pay the current month's dues? I'm going to say yes. That way it prorates back to the seller. If the seller had not paid them, you would say no, and then it would charge the seller for their days and credit the buyer, or vice versa. Resale certificate, we don't need that. Property tax proration. So this is where it would prorate the taxes for you. So annual amount, I'm just going to put in for city $500, and I'm going to say that they're paid through the end of this year, that we've already paid them. So through December 31st. County, I'll just put in 1,000. And you could go literally to the county trustee's website. So like if it was Rutherford County, you could just Google Rutherford County trustee and call and get those actual amounts, or get them off their websites. Here I'm going to choose for county that they're paid through December 31st. And then I put in the most things that I can put in. So you got other sellers' expenses and credits. So why would you need that? So if the seller was paying closing costs or repairs, that's where you would put that in. So we're going to say it's spent, and we're going to say seller paid buyer closing cost, because that's where you would put this in, so it'll net sheet correctly for you. And let's just say that they're paying $5,000 in closing cost. So once you get all that in, you can go back and check, but you hit calculate. You see Savannah Tate right here, our great marketer. And she'll be glad if you want to reach out to Savannah. If there's something you don't understand, she'll be glad to walk you through it. But let's get here. So here you see the address that I put in, which is our office address. This is telling us that the seller is going to net $72,742.08. The sales price is $100,000. So closing services $4.95, owner's title insurance $7.94, so it automatically calculated that. Dock prep, wire fee, courier fee. Then we're going to come on down, and remember we put in payoffs for $15,000. Listing broker, selling broker, that this calls it a buyer broker, $3,000 and $3,000 because it's 3 and 3, and then $150 admin fee or broker fee. Then the county taxes, notice it prorated it for me, so I know exactly what those are going to be roughly. County taxes, HOA dues, it also prorated because I put the amount in there. Seller paid buyer closing costs, so I had $5,000 in seller paying buyer's closing costs, and that got me to an estimated net proceeds to the seller of $72,742.08. And that's exactly how you would do that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of the staff here. We're always willing to help you figure out what the bottom line is going to be so that your seller can move on to a new purchase. Thanks so much, guys, and have a great day.